Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Yeah, we are here working in the yard. You can hear the birds, maybe you can hear the wind, the windmills. But we're working on a birdhouse and going to put it in on a pole like this. So the first thing we're going to do is show you how we drill a hole in the ground. We got some concrete. We're going to show you all the supplies. So stay tuned. Let's get going. You can see right over my shoulder here, there's a birdhouse we're putting up. It is a used birdhouse. I'll give you a link to Amazon, a new birdhouse like it. This thing, I bought it in '97 and it's still good. So there's something for the longevity of how long it lasts. We're just relocating it in the yard because of trees and what have you, where it was before. So stay tuned. We're going to show you how to put a pole in the ground for your purple martin house or your birdhouse. So here are some of our items. We got the post hole digger, got a level. We got our piece of pole that fits on our birdhouse pole. We've got a couple 2x4s. We're going to drill in the corner there. We got some duct tape to hold stuff in place while the concrete sets, some water, some extra gravel for the concrete, a mixing bucket, and hey, a birdhouse. We're still got to do some cleanup on the birdhouse, but there you can see the pole. The far end of the pole there will go in the ground. So we did a little drilling on this hole, and we're going to finish drilling it and show you how that's done. So we use this screw type. You can get the ones you throw down the hole. We'll give you a link to this one. This one's really cool because you put it down the hole and you turn it and it drills itself in. And then the nice thing is you can pull it up and bring dirt out. So get in there, get some leaves that blow down the hole. Make sure the ground was thawed out. So we did a little drilling the other day. Now you can see how that brings the dirt up. And nice thing here, I put some tape on it so I know the frost line. So that's all there is to drill in the hole. So now we want to put the pipe in. Now, the reason you don't want to put the concrete in and then push the pipe in, you have a little problem when you do that. If you put the pipe in the hole with the concrete, you fill it, and then if water gets in here, it fills up, rusts your pipe. If you're in freezing weather, it splits your pipe when it freezes. So we're going to put this up here, and we're going to see what we can do to get some boards in here. We do have our level. You could use a little magnetic level, but I don't recommend it. You use a little magnetic level, you might have a big problem if you drop it down the hole. So here's what we're doing. We're trying to see where we are this way. You can see where we are this way. So there we are that way. If I come this way, I got to come farther away. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this board, put it up here, slide it through the fence. Nope, that ain't going to work. Here we go. So once we get this figured out here, we'll put this here, see if we got our pole here. If we go, that's level there. Okay, so right there is where we're level to start with. So what we're going to do is we're going to tape these boards together. That's why we got the duct tape. So that's got it there. Now what we can do is put our level against our pipe here. And we see that this way we are level. As we come out this way, we're still level. So now we have to come this way and figure out where level is right there. And we're going to put a piece of tape. A little tape on there against here. Bring this till it's level. That's level. Come around, it's level. Gonna put another piece of tape, just so we did. We're a little worried that this will move when we pour the concrete in the hole. Level. Make sure you push your tape down flush here. Level. Okay, so that's level there. So let's go mix some concrete. So we have a little gravel. That's because we might want to add some of it to the sackcrete. We'll see how much we get in here. You want to get the hole as full as you can. If you got some extra gravel, throw it down the hole first so you get some drainage. So what we're going to do, I'm going to pick up this and get it in here. Don't want to breathe this dust, all right? And what we're going to do is get the shovel and just cut it up. Now you can just kind of take it and open it up. So now they say use 2.5 quarts of water. We got 3. We're going to pour in a little bit here. Don't want to make this real soupy, so down the hole at the bottom. So here's our hole. Put some of that gravel down there. We brought our concrete over by our hole. We're going to put our concrete down the hole. Ooh, try not to throw your concrete everywhere like I'm doing. Now you saw how that pipe moved. So let's get all the concrete in the hole. Gonna have to move that pole a little and see if we're good. And then we're gonna do this to get the concrete tight down in there. This does help it go down a bunch. Okay, still a little concrete left in our bin, which you need to make sure you wash out if you don't want to ruin your bin. So what we're going to do, we'll put some more concrete there. Better to wear gloves, but I don't have them with. So what we're going to do is pack this around here. What we did there is we made sure that it's coned up so water will run away from it. That's a good thing. Then before we walk away and let this dry, let's check if we're level. That way's level. That's cool. That way's level. So we are level and square. And we're gonna bring you back when we put up the birdhouse. Okay, so we've got our birdhouse ready to go in, but first we want to take all this tape and everything off. We got that away from our birdhouse. We're gonna set it up so you can see the house maybe go up here. All right, time to put the birdhouse up. Okay, so the birdhouse is up on the pole. Now we got to figure out how we want to turn it and lock it to the pole. Yes or no?
The other side.
Straight as it's going to be. The pole's a little crooked. I might be able to turn it. So don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video. The Purple Martin house is redone and it's installed. It looks like it's got a little bend to it, but I think that's just in the camera. If I'm standing here, it looks really straight this way. I don't know about the other way. Let's take a look real quick. Yeah, it looks really straight that way too. So there you go. We're good and level. Everything happened. Links below to Amazon. Please shop Amazon. Help support the channel. Even if you don't buy the birdhouse or the posthole digger, if you're buying something for home, it does help support the channel. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.